Remember to just stay true to yourself, babes. Stay true and focus on your vision. I literally just watched this video and it explained to me how to create anything in your life, it takes, the right environment, not necessarily the right environment, but what I'm trying to say is when your life is going good, the environment is right, the behaviors are right, the your thoughts are right, you know that they can go in a good direction, the direction that you can go in is good. Your beliefs about how anything and everything that you want is capable, is available, and is a reality. Your values, your self-image, how you see yourself, and then your purpose. What the fuck am I doing? Why? Ask yourself who, what, when, where, why, those questions. And you can change aspects of that, but ultimately what it comes down to is your beliefs, and not only your beliefs, but how you see yourself in this here moment. Like, are you seeing yourself as somebody that doesn't understand? Are you seeing as somebody that gets distracted easily? Like, is that what you're telling yourself in your head, the same old story? Because every single moment is a new moment, just like every single day is a new day, every single week is a new week, every single second is a new second. So you can choose to either accept or focus on what you really want, because ultimately you choose what you want to entertain. Not what you want, but at the same time, yes, you choose what you're wanting to entertain. So a clear intention, and then with laser focus, a clear intention. What do you see yourself doing? What do you see yourself doing? What do you see yourself doing? Ask yourself this. What do you see yourself doing? And then visualize it. Visualize it, catch it in your mind. What would you be doing? What are you doing? And, what would you be doing if you were doing it? I don't know, babes. Like, what I'm trying to say is you have to back up your intention with laser focus. Because you can intend all these things to happen, but if your focus is not pointed exactly where you want it, just like right here, right now, where I'm looking at y'all, I'm telling y'all, and I'm explaining to y'all, then it gets all jumbled up and your intention kind of loses, momentum. So you want to focus. You want to be here present in this moment. And, don't stress about it if it's not going according to, the standard. Because the standard, what is it? What is it if not what you believe? Like, I talk about all the time, our beliefs create a reality. And somebody can believe that, religion is good for you. But somebody can believe that religion is really bad for you. So it's all up to question. And, when you decrease the importance of having or having to be something or wanting something, because when we say that we want something, what we're currently saying is that we don't have it in this present moment. When we want something, we currently don't have it. And anything is possible, vibrationally, feeling good wise. Anything is possible when you realize that, you already are that. You already are that. You just have to choose you know, with an intention, with focus and you know, attention. Pay attention to what thoughts you're thinking, to what you're telling yourself, you know. I hope that makes sense. And you know, for me, I realized that you know, I'm a little wobbly sometimes, and that's okay. That's okay, because there's an ebb and flow to everything. But it really is amazing when I take the time to just sit with my thoughts and ask myself, you know, where do I, you know, see myself in this moment? Like, where do I want to go? You have to know that. That's your intention, you know. This is what I want. This is what I expect to happen. You know, this is what I need. This is what I have. Have that intention and back it up with your focus, you know. Concentrate here and you know, let that momentum start building, and it will build, and it'll keep building, and it'll keep building. And that's with everything, babes. Anything that you focus on will grow, and it can be the slightest little, you know, thing, but if you're going in that direction, it will build no matter what. And you know, just keep building it, just keep building it. And you keep building it by having that knowing that, like, you know, this is what I'm intending. This is what I'm intending. And that keeps going. That keeps going. As long as you know what your intention is, and you know, you focus on that, it will just start rolling down the hill. But you have to just chill, and just let it happen, and just enjoy, you know, you're focusing, and enjoy your creating, molding the clay. Yeah. And just live in it. All right, babes. I'm going to continue editing, and yeah. What?
Can I call Mom?
Oh my God. No! I make my bed for a reason, not for you to come mess it up. Oh my God. Okay, here.
Good.
No, you come here.
Right here.
You want my phone. So, just finished editing. And oh my gosh, feels amazing. This is not an orange, it's Louis ball. So y'all don't be like, you're cheating. Oh, fuck you, bitch. I do what I want. I'm sorry. Anyways, so we're done basically with my morning routine. With my morning, you know, getting into it. Finished editing. All I gotta do is post it and let you guys know, and for you guys to go watch it, okay? Go watch it, please. Okay. But yes, oh my gosh, thank you guys so much for watching my morning routine. Stay tuned. I should have, you know, the second part of my day updated tomorrow, hopefully, or maybe tonight, don't know, but maybe tomorrow. The second half of my day. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching this. I really hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know in the comments, or you know, on my social medias, what y'all want to see, what, you know, what to look for, you know. Just give me the info. I'm here for the info. We're all here to grow together. So yes, hit me up on my social medias. They will be down below, or I'm thinking, yes, social medias. Social medias. Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, babes. Remember, you are enough. You are valued. And watch my newest inspirational video. It's really good. Yeah. All right. Love you, babes. See y'all.